What is up, guys? It's a new dusk after a new day here in beautiful Thailand, and this is an update video on the interior, maybe a bit of the exterior of my 2,500 baht per month rental house. Here's my office. It's only 55 UK pounds per month. It's only 75 US dollars per month. And it's 106 Aussie dollary dues per month. Look, I managed to get rid of my doom pile. I got rid of it today. I really just stuck at it, you know. Look, I've cleaned up my kitchen as well. I've stored my utilities. What do you call them? Utensils? What are they? Can't get the words out again as soon as I push that record button. Forget about that, don't look at that. But what do I do here, guys? I will be painting the walls bright, mostly white, and I will be hanging white sheets from the ceiling. That will brighten everything up quite a lot as well. That will make a huge difference. Someone commented before saying that the white sheets will turn a different colour, they get stained from cooking. I don't do a lot of fried cooking and stuff like that, so mostly it's in the air fryer, what I do. So that's that, and yeah, a wee bit of fried eggs and stuff, but that's not going to stain sheets up there. So my spice rack and everything's here. This, I don't know whether to move that over to there, because I might have another table unit that's going to come here. I definitely have another table unit, but I don't know, and it's going to come here, but I don't know where to put it. It's a kind of a weird L-shaped angle, so I don't know where to, could I put it there? See, this post is kind of in the way. These posts will be painted gold. My plan is white walls, and I can't do the zoom out. I can't do widescreen, guys, sorry, because it goes too dark with this phone. Waiting on a new phone coming. Not new, second hand to me. So, what do I do here, guys? Let me know. Another thing about this floor. Some mornings I come down and the floor is wet, and it's... Can you hear this wee one making noises? Yeah. I think you might have been the runt of the litter. I found Nitro on the road when he was a little kitten and I could fit him in my hand. Yeah. Right, so what is the water? Is it groundwater coming up? And should I put a plastic coating on this before doing anything else? I was going to epoxy it, but I don't know now. What do I do? What's this water? I will video it when I see it next time. I'll try and get it the next time it happens. Yeah, so do I put plastic down and then epoxy on top of the plastic, or just, I might just do lino on top of it for the time being, because it's got to look good. And I'll be doing videos in here, guys, cooking videos on how to budget and how to, yeah, make your money last longer, and how to meal prep and stuff like that. Hey, I'm looking forward to that. I have a sausage making machine in here. Yet to use it. Let me take it. Let me show you the bathroom first. A couple of different insects in the bathroom now and again. What do we have tonight? Well, I have a hornet making its nest here. What do we have? We get snails. Always get snails. And then there's these, it's like a caterpillar, but a mad colour. There's loads of them outside. What's this big bad boy? A millipede thing. Yeah. No frogs, no toads. Sometimes you get a big frog or toad coming in. So but let's go out. What am I going to do in here? Just paint it. Just going to paint it. The floors of it. I'm going to bring in the pressure washer and buzz it down with the pressure washer. Look, see, have a look at this actually. I want to show you. See that? It's all stained. It's a mad, yeah, I don't know what colour these tiles, it's hard to tell. Is it that colour? I don't know. But look at the bottom of the door. And that's where I've chipped away at it and it comes off, so it's calcium or something. The cat is rubbing against my phone and I think you didn't turn it off. I thought you were going to turn it off. Right. Now, let me take you outside. I'll take you on a wee tour. Oh no, let me show you the inside first of all, because my shoes are at the front. Let me show you outside here first of all. Does anybody else's cat attack their feet when they're walking away and bite them? Yes, I've been washing a lot today. 3 big washes and not even finished yet. I've got these. These were used for something, for resting my monitors on. So my monitors aren't on it. So where are they? Oh, maybe they're up. Washing, lots of clothes, lots of bed sheets. Aye, but it's looking nice here. I hosed it down. I haven't hosed that part down there yet, but yeah, I hosed it all down here. And I've got some of these egg carton things for growing some plants and vegetables. I've got some pots here and pots here. Oh, exciting news, guys, exciting news. I have ordered off of the internet $10 worth of flower seeds, fruit seeds, vegetable seeds. I'm so excited. I am very, very, very excited. Now let me have another look at my office. Yay! It's very cool. Alright. Aloe veras and stuff. Yay. Nah, this fan's too noisy. I swapped it out for other ones. What about here? Oh, there was a power cut. But yeah, this is my bedroom. Just chilling. Oh, whose sweeties are there? They're not mine. Here's my projector. Yay! So, very cool in here. I like my bedroom. Now, coming to this room here. Bit of a change happening tonight. Oh, look. Office desks. What office desks out here? Yeah, I'm thinking, well, I just need a command center, don't I? So I look at this, guys. These desks don't fit into any of the bedrooms. So I'm just going to put them here. This is my command center. All right, 2 32-inch monitors here. That, I don't know what size, 23 or something. That's an all-in-one PC. There's a monitor there, there's a PC there, there's a PC down there. There's another PC over there. Yeah. Oh, what's all this stuff? Oh, that's exciting. But back to this. Aye, everything is second hand here. Let me tell you the prices. This was bought like 5 years ago for 1,000 baht. Big desk, still solid. The only thing that's happened is that starting to swell up a little bit because I got water on it and it was cracked. This one I got for 500. Aye, it's had a new laminated top on it. But the guys did a very good job, and aye, it's a nice working desk. Looky war one. I don't know, aye, Omega. But aye, my printer, copier thing. Aye, Mega PC, that one, but old. I banged loads of RAM in it, but it's a slow processor, so. Aye, the graphics card's knackered. That, still again, graphics card's knackered. That's from March. 2 32-inch monitors here, and on that wall will be my 65-inch flat screen TV, smart TV. 65-inch smart TV there. 2 32s here. A 20 odd there, a 19 there. I think that's all my monitors. I might have more. But coming over here, oh, there's so many things to tell you about. I spent 2,500 baht months ago on this stuff, right? And I haven't used it. Remember, I've been talking about marble wallpaper? Ooh, look. It's meant to have a proper shine. It's meant to look like gold. And it's kind of foamy. Right, you see the thickness? It's like... it's kind of thick. This is wallpaper, but... well, it's sticky stuff. All of this stuff is sticky. So I don't need to use glues or, you know, set up a whole wallpaper and thing. It's just sticky back, and I'm hoping it will work. This is some rails I got for I was going to do DIY a clothesline. Ooh, what's this? This is the gold tape I was telling you about. Yeah, look, I've got loads of it. Loads of different sizes, thicknesses. Loads of different thicknesses. And I was thinking maybe this tape could go on the corners of these posts, right? Give it a nice, expensive look. I think that would look good, but I don't know what to do yet. Not really made up my mind. And that's, oh, this one is like a border that could go up the top. Like that. Okay, so a bit of gold there, a bit of gold there. I don't know how long this is. It doesn't look incredibly long. 10 meters maybe. Aye. So that's that. This is my vacuum wet and dry cleaner. I'll need to shampoo the seats in the car. This PC, what is this, an i5? I can't remember. Yep, forget about all this stuff I've got. Fake. 4 terabyte it was meant to be. Absolutely fake. I think it's 4 gig. And that's broken hard drives. Oh, that's the charger I need. Okay, here's like my chest rigs for my camera. Still got a little bit of problems. I bought a new one of these tripod things, and they sent me a coat hanger for my car, and they're like, "Oh, send us that back." I'm like, "You're a mistake, mate. Just send me the tripod." YouTube's. Okay, what am I doing now? I'm taking it outside for some reason. No idea. It's dark. This is not a clever idea. But look at my fish tank. Oh, I can't wait to get my koi carp here. Now, I've tried messing around with this a little bit. Oh, the camera's shaking, is it? Yeah, so I put this in. This is a submersible pump. Right, so I put it down there and I just blew most of the dirt. I missed a bit there. But I just blew the dirt. I put my hand in there and I blew it out the rocks. And then I moved it all the way down here. And then I opened up the pipe. I put a bit of mesh over there. I need to get a proper bit of mesh that can be permanently put there. But I don't know if that's a good way of cleaning it or not. If I could do that with the carp in. Yeah, I don't know, but it's looking good. I have my bleach powder to clean this seat here and the table. I need to get that water out of the bowl, and I want to move it under the shade because it's getting too much algae on it. Well, that's it, guys. It's just an update to show you where I am in the progress of the renovation of this little house here. I'm very happy to be cracking on with some stuff tonight. It's a bit hot, but I know I need to do it, so I'm getting on with it. Put a thumb up my arse tonight, so I did so. I'm very happy to be blasting away. That doom pile's gone. I am absolutely stoked about that. Stoked about that. I think I'm going to leave it there. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a wee like. I would like to say thank you again to you. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.